I used my glue gun to create the shape of a star. I then applied a mix of glitter that I had mixed myself. And then started to do another one. There will be glue strings, and I was doing this very quickly to do this as a short. I added a different kind of glitter straight from the bottle. I was going to pour them all in that same cup, but didn't get the chance because of the timing of the short. And I'm sorry that there is no music, but anything over a minute cannot have music on YouTube. That's the blue one that you just saw. That would work great as a star for nighttime, maybe. And the white one will work, the white sparkly one will work for snow. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe.